Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to reset mouse settings to default in Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, in the search box type a control panel, open control panel, go to your small icons, and after that click on a mouse settings. After that, first of all, go to your pointers and make sure that is selected a Windows default system scheme. Okay, guys, select it and apply and OK button. So after apply, the go to your pointer options and change the pointer speed. Okay, guys, click on apply and OK button. After that, close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if a problem is there, then you can try a second method. The second method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, and after that go to your mic and other pointing devices and select a mouse and right click and click on update driver, and you can search the automatic from drivers. If you're any it's not updated, so go to your search for the driver on the Windows updates, and any Windows updates available, then check it, and if any updates is available, then download and install in your PCs. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this start, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.